This is my welding bench here, all homemade. I'll start with the underneath. The underneath is an old door, probably from the 40s, I'd say, that was at this house when I bought it. Piece of paneling. Whenever I bought this place, the shop bench ended here. So from here over, I built. But anyhow, this is a aluminum sign that I got from the junkyard. This is a homemade rod holder out of some gears and that I had laying around. This is my ground. Works perfect. I just put that on there just because, but that's a cap from an old transformer. My power box there, little 110 stick. That baby cranks pretty good. Then I made this lock box too, so that way you can put your gun in there or whatever. And I put pegboard up there, of course. Gotta have your pegboard. And then this is all built by me too. The different types of screws and that. It's 4 different pockets. And for my step bits, I put on the side here my grinding, wire, cotton, buffing wheels, all right here. Drill chuck. Look up here. Hopefully I give you guys some ideas. Oh yeah, check out my vice grip holder here. Piece of diamond plate. Then I made this up here for my wire brushes and hang my leads on. My gloves. Hang your hat on it, whatever you want to do.